And what Kyle was saying, this funnel cloud may not reach all the way down to the ground, but the circulation where the air is spinning does, and that's what's causing the damage or lifting things up here. So we're still seeing it right through here, and you can just see how it's lifting up into the base of this thing right here. So a tornado, intermittent tornado damage, but certainly a funnel and lowered cloud and wall cloud here. And you see where the air is spiraling up into this thing here, and it's underneath here most likely where we're getting the damage here. So this is another good look here. This is from our camera out at 72nd Crown Point. So here's what we're looking at from the other cameras, this base right here, and I'm pretty sure this is Fort Street that goes out to the west here. So it's not there, it's south of that, and actually I'm guessing this is Maple Street right through here where it's just about on top of. That's the lowest lowering that we see. Our switch over to our fast track display, and there's our look at the lowering right through here.
Yeah, right at Maple is where we're watching the closest now.
Okay, so it looks like it's crossing Maple here. Right there,
and we're saying
just west of 132nd now. And zoom a little tighter, so coming up toward the Standing Bear.
National Weather Service employee kind of following this. He says it's not on the ground at the moment, but the circulation. So we have that wall cloud, like you were saying, right near Champions Run.
Okay, and crossing Maple, so about to go north. So let's see the sweep go by here. Here's Maple, 132nd. It's pretty strong, and
maybe even stronger.
You bet. And I'm guessing this is just to the west of 132nd and just east. If you zoom in, Kyle, I'm guessing this is 144th right here.
Yeah, that sounds about right. That was too much zooming.
It's all right. Go back out
just a little bit here.
Great. Okay, so from here,
Q98.5, as you guys are hearing right now, it's coverage of KETV. Right now we have a tornado warning right now in effect about 4 o'clock for north central Douglas County. Around 3:41 this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southwestern Omaha, and it was moving about 20 miles per hour. And weather spotters reported a funnel cloud, and there was some impact, flying debris, things that were going on that could be associated with the tornado, but be careful if you're out and about right now. Once again, we have a tornado warning in effect till 4 o'clock for north central Douglas County. And once again, we are over with KETV's weather coverage right now. We're going to rejoin that now in progress.
The main threat with that storm, maybe some 50-plus mile per hour wind gusts, but downtown, certainly into parts of Pottawatomie County, western and southwest Pottawatomie County, very heavy rain, likely from what we're just seeing on reflectivity. Some hail. Size would be a little harder to pick out just from that picture right there. But so we have the one warning downtown into parts of Pottawatomie County affecting the metro. Certainly, we're still watching this tornado as right near Fort Street or just north. We're about to approach Fort Street.
Yeah. There's 144th. And then this is to the east. Here's 132nd Street here. I'll put that cursor down here too, so we got a good map. We'll say 131st Street right through here. So let's go back to the camera here. So that's 131st just off to the east there. So just to make sure we've got a good location on these things through here. This is our WSI display here, and this is the area of rotation back in through here. If we switch over to the fast track,
there's a tree down.
We'll see it as well. So that's the tornado just north of Maple, right about at Fort Street now. And here it is here. So 144th, right about by Standing Bear Lake, between 144th and 132nd. So that went right up over Champions Run down here. So there's Maple. It's now up to Fort Street here in the vicinity of the Hillsboro neighborhood, and also Diamond Head is out here. And there's the camera again. See it raining. That could be rain or hail out at 72nd at Crown Point. Maybe it's hail because of the darker shapes that are coming on down there, but looking as it's just about, so you see this right here. This is where we've got this couplet of toward and away from our radar site. So it's just south of Fort Street. And if you go back to the camera, you'll see that's Fort Street right there. So Fort Street is the road that's kind of going east and west. So what you're looking at, that lowered cloud, is this representation on the radar. So
Bill, you were saying
Christina Engdahl is 108th and Blondown now, is that right? All right, Christina, tell us, you're looking off to the northwest there, obviously, right?
Yeah, Bill, that's right. I'm standing right about 108th and Blondo here, and I have to tell you right now, the tornado sirens just started going off. You might hear them in the background here. Just a couple miles away from what you were talking about there, 137th Dodge to Blondo there. I'm looking down the hill here. We can see some debris even where we're standing right now, and it may be hard to see